Right, we're at the track. Just filled up. Thirsty girl. Usually uses a quarter of a tank driving to any track, so it's easier to fill up at the track. Filled up with pre-mix, high amount for sort of track usage. You should see some temperature today. It's beautiful autumn day in England. Skies are blue. It's really chilly, but you know, that's what the cars want. Make loads of power. The air is dense and hopefully not get hot. And the surface is obviously great, so we'll test out these Nova Super Sports. Semi-slicks, of course, so we should get good performance out of them once they're warm. But yeah, we've just been for the sighting laps. It's a fast track. Obviously there's a lot of fast cars here, so it's going to be a bit of, yeah, making sure we're not blocking anyone and holding people up. A few race cars and stuff, but also some normal cars, so should get a few good runs with people. We got a garage today, first time. I think that's a trick, get a garage and it'll be sunny. So we were expecting it to be pouring down, as it has been for the last few weeks, but we got a nice dry break. Haven't driven a big track this year, I think. I've done a couple of Kerber days and stuff, as you might have seen in some of the videos, but it'd be good to test the car out. Obviously this used to be my daily. I don't drive it through the winter anymore, so I'm going to progressively start making it into more of a sort of, yeah, track car. Need to put some bucket seats on it and stuff. I already noticed this morning that sort of in long sweepers you sort of trying to hold yourself in place. The track looks good, so yeah, we're going to go and do some laps and see how it goes. just went for the first few laps. Really great fun. We were out in the first session, so everyone was out. Lots of cars we could overtake, so that was good fun. I've driven this track a lot in the sim. First time here in person, and it translates really well. The way you take the apexes really makes a difference. You can carry a lot of speed, which is important in these lower horsepower cars. So that was good. The tires got up to temperature. I feel like they were grippy. And yeah, just checking the oil. It's lost a little bit because I think it comes up through the breather on high G-force corners and high RPM. So one of the guys here with the classic cars borrowed me a bit of oil. I didn't come as prepared as I should have, so that was good. Just topping it up, and yeah, we're going to go out for another session. We got red flagged just as I was coming up to my friend Patrick, so I'll see if I can find him on track and go and overtake him. It's lunchtime. We've just been out for a long session. Patrick has been getting a bit out of shape. He's been black flagged already.
No. Black and white.
Black and white.
Just an advisory.
Just advisory, yeah. Track limits, you know, don't get too racy. But overall, it's been a great fun because it's a fast track. So it's all about keeping up the momentum. You know, you haven't got the power to get out of a mistake, so it's just how fast can you go into a corner and how fast do you dare go. So that's quite enjoyable. He's going quite fast. We've been just sort of chasing each other.
Still going faster, especially with like just half the power as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, half the power, twice the weight. You know, it is what it is. Or half the power, half of the weight.
It's been a good day.
So, yeah, it's
have some lunch, have some food.
Exactly.
Let the sun come out. Track warms up. Tires get warm.
Absolutely. So we'll keep pushing. Get some food and just enjoy the sunshine, which for this time of the year or any time of the year in England is a blessing. So yeah, see you after lunch.
Yeah, cut in earlier. Hit that post. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, go.
Drift master. You're turning in too early. Yeah, stay out wide for longer in that corner, turn in a bit later, because you're apexing too early and then going up. Let's go. This is really fun though.
Keep the rear brakes a bit far.
Yeah. I want one!
Mate, get one!
Yeah, I think I should.
2-3 grand.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the end of the day. For us anyway. There's about an hour of track time left, but old girl has got a bit of an oil leak. It's hard to tell where it's coming from because the engine is sort of covered. So it could be oil cooler lines which are about to burst, or maybe a front main seal, but either way it's not worth risking killing the engine and filling the track of oil if something does collapse. So we're going to call it here. It's 3 o'clock, sun's getting down anyway. We had a good time. I hadn't driven this car on track properly this year, I think we did a day in Bedford last year, so it's a sort of once a year type thing at the moment. Need to use it a bit more, but it was great fun. The Super Sports completely sort of transformed the car in terms of just front end grip. I felt in the curb that I did, it was a bit understeery, but on the bigger tracks, it definitely is suited for that. I can really push it. So yeah, we're gonna head home. Hopefully the car sort of makes it there and the leak doesn't get much worse. But otherwise, we had a great time. No, Patrick did as well. He's also calling it a day because his rear brakes are done. I think we need to change the pads and some stuff and maybe put some coilovers on it. Otherwise, yeah, we're all packed up, ready to head home. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.